Hello friends, welcome to MS Electrical. Now I am going to explain a overview of outlook of 1600 ampere PR121 4 pole ACB of ABB make, and we are observing a lot of things in front view, and I will explain one by one side. Now whatever we are seeing in front view, in the topmost we can see a small switches and indications. This is called a release. It is in usually in practical lot of people will confuse and they will think that it is a relay, and it is not a relay, it is actually a release. We can put a lot of settings in long term. This L indicates long term, and this S indicates short term, and this I indicates instantaneous, and this G indicates ground fault. Long term fault, short term fault, and instantaneous fault, and ground fault. These all are settings we can make as per the indications and current ratings. Okay. This port is used to test this release. And coming to below, this TU switch is used to reset, and we can observe clearly on push button and off push button. These are two are used to close and opening of ACB, and below it we can observe spring charge position indicator and discharge position indicator, and beside it we can observe on and off position of ACB, and below it we can observe a clear indications of ratings of ACB, and below it we can observe a interlock for the rack in rack out mechanism. By pushing it downside, we can unlock to insert a rod, and we can, by inserting a rod into it, by in clockwise direction we can connect it for the bus bar, and by rotating handle in anti-clockwise we can discharge the breaker. Okay, while in connecting position we can see the indications here clearly. If it is in connected position, this indication will be at in the topmost level, and in tested position it will be in middle, and in discharge position it will be lower stage. We can see now it is in discharge position. Okay, this is the clear overview of a front side, and let us see another side. In isometric view we can see a channel which is used to keep in the cascade. It is used to support the ACB in cascade for a proper positioning, and below it we can see the bearing which is used to move the breaker inward and outward. This is in isometric view. This is the back view of ACB. These four are used as R, Y, B and neutral, and this is incoming and this is outgoing. These are all our contactors. Okay, this is top view of ACB, and these all are auxiliary contacts which is used for on off position of breaker, and different auxiliary contacts, and these all are archutes. This archutes is used to pass air to fetch the arc in the moving contacts. Okay, this is the clear overview of outer side of ACB, and similarly other make ACBs also similar to this only, but there may be some little bit changes in the design of a different make. Thank you, and thank you for watching.